Hello friends, today I am going to show you how I made an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser at home. You can also make it at your home. For this you will need two cells, some wire for connecting the cells and other things. You will also need some wire, some hard wire to strengthen the pipe. We also need the pipe. We also need a pump, water pump, some tape, and we are gonna use some small things also like the transistor, resistor, and also the sensor. This is called IR proximity sensor. So I will show you how to use it. This is how you use it. You just place your hand in front of the sensor and the water or sanitizer will come out. I'll tell you what is the mechanism behind it and how to connect it. So you have to use the BD140 transistor. We are going to use BD140 transistor. The name is BD140 transistor, and we are also gonna need a resistor and an IR proximity sensor. So I am going to tell you how to connect these. You know that we will connect the positive wire of the cells to the VCC pin of the sensor, and the negative wire goes to the ground pin of the sensors, and we will connect the first pin of the transistor to the VCC pin of the sensor, and the third pin of the transistor to the out pin of the sensor. And we are also going to use a resistor between the third pin of the transistor and the out pin of the sensor. And then we will connect the positive wire of the pump to the ground pin of the sensor and the negative wire of the pump to the second pin of the transistor. I am going to tell you again, the name is BD140 transistor, and you can use a resistor, an IR proximity sensor, and the mechanism behind it, that when we do like this, a signal goes to the sensor, and the signal then passes through the mechanism to the whole circuit, and then the water pump gets the current, and then we get the sanitizer or soap or water, anything you can put. I will demonstrate how to use it. First we will do like this, and the sanitizer will come. The reason behind the mechanism is that when we put a hand like this is called IR transmitter, and this sends a signal, and anything that reflects the signal to the photodiode, then the circuit gets complete, and then the water comes out. You can see this works like this. So you can also make it at your place and enjoy. Thank you.